is officially here, and to celebrate, I've created this really quick and easy look for you to do. It's all about glowing skin and a pop of color. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I've been dying to try this out. I've just been hearing the most amazing things about it. I'm just going to take a little bit, and I'm just going to apply it to the high points of my face first. And then whatever's left on my hands, I'm going to blend that in and take it through the T-zone. That way you don't end up with too much product where you normally get a bit shiny, but you have a bit more of a natural highlight when it comes to the high points of the face. Okay, so next up I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow. They say here it's an instant soft focus beauty flash, so I'm assuming it's almost like a filter. I think this is a beautiful product if you're not looking for any coverage. And with summer coming up, I'm sure a lot of you are gonna like something like this for your beach days and pool days and all of that. I know my skin is quite shiny right now, and the trend has been a little bit more matte for the past couple of years, but we are definitely moving into a lot more of a natural, dewy skin look these days, and I'm very happy about that because I love a shiny skin. I want very minimal coverage today, so I'm just going to go in and pinpoint conceal with a little bit of the LAURE Mercier Secret Camouflage Concealer. I've got the color in SC2, and this is a lovely concealer if you just have a little bit of pigmentation that you'd like to take care of, and it lasts very long and it is quite drying, so I wouldn't use this underneath the eyes, but it's beautiful to pinpoint conceal if you have a little bit of pigmentation or a spot or anything like that. So I'm just going to place the concealer in all the areas that I need a little bit more coverage. And then I'm going to leave it there for a second before I blend it out. So I'm just going to take my finger and tap around the edges where I place the concealer and just blend it out. And now because I have freckles, it's actually, it's not so bad to have a little bit of pigmentation because you've got freckles already. So for me, I'm fine with it even just being a little bit lighter, and that's why you can get away with minimal coverage. Okay, now since I don't want to use the LAURE Mercier Secret Camouflage underneath my eyes, I'm going to go in with the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer, also by LAURE Mercier. And this is in the color 2W. I'm just going to place a small amount underneath my eyes, around my nose, and then I wear glasses, so I like to just place a little bit of concealer over there if I'm not going to be wearing my glasses, because I find the longer I wear my glasses for, it leaves this red mark that I just can't seem to get rid of. So I'm just going to take a small fluffy brush and blend that out. Next up, I'm going to go in with my M.A.C Paint Pot in Painterly. And this is just going to even out the skin tone. And I'm doing it now because I wanted to sort of set on the eyelids for a little while before I go in with the eyeshadow. Alright, so today I'm going to go in and use the same product I'm going to use on my eyes, on my cheeks as well. And it's actually a lip product, so if you want to do this, please do it at your own discretion. It is meant for your lips, but I just think it looks so great on your cheeks and eyelids as well. Okay, so this is a L'Oreal matte lipstick in 401 called Amen. It's this beautiful blush color. And I'm just going to do a few dots on my cheeks. Start with 3, let's see how that looks. I'm just taking a fluffy brush and blending it in. it's much easier to build than it is to take off, but if you need to take it off, you can just go back in with a little bit of concealer on your brush. So all I'm going to do is take that across the eyelid and build the colour. Now this is a lipstick and it will probably crease, but the paint pot will definitely help it last a bit longer. And then also it is part of the look, so I don't really mind a small amount of creasing. But it also helps that the lipstick is a matte, or a liquid matte lipstick, or set in a way. Next I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Double Extension mascara, and I'm just going to prime my eyelashes. I'm actually just going to use the primer from this mascara. I really enjoy this primer, and I find that if you leave it for 30 seconds, the mascara will really go on beautifully, but you shouldn't go any longer than that. It actually gets quite difficult to apply mascara after that. So I'm just going to do one side at a time. Then I'm going to go in with the Full Fat Lashes by Charlotte Tilbury. And this is in Glossy Black. So for brows, I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper. I have to say I've tried out quite a few brow gels, and normally when I apply them, more of it ends up on my skin, and this one does not do that. Yeah, sure, every now and again it will smudge a little bit, but really not as bad as the others. I do like to sort of layer it and build the colour if I'm not filling in my brows. This way you still get a nice shape without too much effort. Okay, so I've decided to go in with a few individual lashes just in the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm using the EYLURE individual lashes. So they've got them in short, medium and long, and I'm just using my Tweezerman tweezers to apply them. I really enjoy these tweezers. They are so great. Okay, to finish off this look, I'm going to go in with a beautiful bright lip, and I'm using L'Oreal's Madly in Love lipstick. And I'm just going to apply to the center of my lips, and then I'm going to blend it out. Okay, so now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and blend out the edges. This is just going to give you the illusion of much bigger lips, and it's just a bit more soft and natural.